Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Komal and you're watching Her Best Moves. Welcome back again, and as you all can see that I am all ready and you already know what this vlog is going to be all about. So yeah, I just thought let's just start it right from here, because after that we will be traveling and I don't know how much I will be able to shoot, but this is the beginning of the vlog. So we're all ready and set to go. I'm going to show you what I'm wearing very quickly. I'm wearing this basic black top. On top I'm wearing this Forever 21 jacket. These are the bunkers trousers, and the bag, it's from Zara, and boots of course, because we are going on a road trip. It's a very random plan. हमने आज ही अभी की अभी बस packing करी and we are leaving. Let's see what will happen. But I just wanted to start this vlog to say hi to you guys, and then we will meet. I don't know where we'll meet, what I will shoot and what I will show you, but I will show you definitely. So see you.
शिक्षकों के लिए से आदत है और प्रेम अच्छी है। ऐसे मेरे घर में शिक्षक
So we have checked in our hotel, and here in Agra we are staying at the Taj. This is the view from my room, which is pretty decent, and the room you have already seen. It's beautiful, it's nice, and now we'll just freshen up and then get ready to see the Taj, because we are specially here for Taj. We are staying in Taj and we are here to see the Taj. So okay, I didn't know, okay, we are staying here. It's a surprise, of course, for my birthday. I'm loving it so far. My birthday is in like few hours and I am very excited. All right, I'll see you guys after I will freshen up. Till then, see you guys. Since I knew that I am traveling, I actually bought everything mini size. So this is Max Stroke Cream in this mini size, because I had no space. तो मुझे छोटे से स्पेस में सब कुछ ऑक्यूपाई करना था, so that's why I bought these. And I'm so happy कि ये mini size थी मेरे पास. Good, like I'm happy that I took it for traveling. Let me change the angle. I think that's better, maybe. That's better. बस चेंज करो, मैंने वार्म अप है, बड़ा सही टाइम है मेरे पास फटाफट मेकअप करने का. For the foundation I bought Smashbox, again the mini size, क्योंकि मेरा सबसे छोटा साइज ये था. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. I'm done with my foundation. I need to press it down to this section. It's very easily blendable, that's why I love this product. You can see. Just mascara is left. Doing very pretty basic makeup for now. नहीं करेंगे बस. It's looking nice.
नाइट में देखेंगे ना, बड़ा ब्यूटीफुल लगता है इसमें.
आपका अगरबत्ती वाला
इससे वाला चाहिए, इससे वाला एक और ये 1500 रुपये
सही से बताया आप
नंबर है। देखिए
ऊपर
सारा डिजाइन रहेगा इसको ऊपर भी।
इसको घुमाते रहना पड़ेगा।
नहीं घुमाओ मत, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वो तो मैं दिखा रहा हूँ आपको।
तो ये सिर्फ लाइट के लिए है?
ये क्या है कोस्टर
नहीं
है?
कैंडल बॉल्स होते हैं जी, हो जाएगा परमानेंट।
कौन सा कलर आएगा? अच्छा
यही
ये
आ जाएगा
अच्छा
परमानेंट से यार शाइनिंग।
बढ़िया।
हम लोग तो रखते नहीं क्योंकि अंग्रेज लोग वगैरह जो होते हैं वो शाइनिंग पसंद करते हैं।
Hey guys, so I am all ready. I'm wearing this body fitted dress and some hoop earrings, some hand jewelry, and that's it. I couldn't do any much more. I'm really tired. But since we are going for my birthday dinner, so I thought, okay, you know what, I have been like in trousers and jeans like whole day. So I did a little bit something to celebrate day before my birthday. So yeah, we are going for dinner. We have a dinner reservation here at Taj, so we don't have to go anywhere outside, which I'm very happy about because हम लोग अभी जस्ट मार्केट से आए। हमने बहुत सारी शॉपिंग करी एज यू गाइस सॉ, एंड इन सब चीज़ों से हम बहुत थक गए हैं, पूरे डे का ट्रैवल एंड देन शॉपिंग। सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मैं कहीं नहीं जाना, मैं यहीं रहना है। सो या let's go, let's have some dinner. I'm gonna click some pictures in this outfit and then I'll meet you guys.
चलो
सारा फोटो शूट करने के बाद अब हम जा रहे हैं डिनर करने अपने OOTD में। Hey guys, good morning. It's my birthday. Okay, I don't know why I am so excited because generally, I mean, I'm not that kind of a girl जो कि ये birthdays और इन सारी चीज़ों से बहुत ज़्यादा excited हो जाती है। But this time I am, due to so many personal reasons, and the main reason is because my last birthday was very very sad for me due to my personal health issues, and now this time I am all okay. I can eat whatever the hell I want and I can do whatever the hell I want. I am, touch wood, by the grace of God, okay. I'm just happy and grateful about so many things for getting my life back as it is. I talk about this a lot because this matters to me a lot, so that's why I am happy. That's the reason why I am happy. So excuse this condition of my hair. I just got up and कल पूरे दिन ट्रैवल करने के बाद ये हालत हो गई है बालों की, तो हम इसे वॉश करेंगे अभी एंड देन वी विल गो फॉर अ ब्रेकफास्ट, क्योंकि यू नो ना ये होटल्स में ब्रेकफास्ट का टाइम ये 10 बजे तक रखते हैं। आई मीन मुझे और सोना था, लाइक आज मेरा बर्थडे, आज मैंने सारे कामों से ऑफ लिया और मुझे सोना था, और पर कोई बात नहीं, that's how we are going to start our day. So it's currently I guess 9 o'clock. I have a spa appointment, 11 बजे की अपॉइंटमेंट है, तो वहाँ जाएंगे। उसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे ताजमहल देखने, विच आई डोंट नो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड, क्योंकि ताजमहल मैंने पहले भी देखा है, बट दिस इज वॉज फॉर द शुभम, पर शुभम ने नहीं देखा है, उसके लिए पहली बार है, सो आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर हिम। आई डोंट नो, लाइक या लेट्स सी. So that's the update, and let's go, let's see how this day will go. So guys, I'm here at the spa section. I'm gonna change very quickly and then we're gonna start with our spa.